Things. My sister's at a friend's house, and I think there's actually going to be a tornado today. Like the noises and stuff, they're just like very weird. So we're gonna my sister's at her friend's house right now, but I hope she's okay. But yeah, I'm taking the case off this phone. I caught her. She's already in the tornado shelter. I actually need to put the case back on here. She's actually in a tornado shelter right now. Let me put this on here. And so yeah, just making sure she's okay. And setting this up right here. This is very scary. I think a tree just dropped. Well, I've always wanted to do this. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Hold up, guys. Okay, guys. It's like very windy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gosh, look how messy our garage is now. Look at all this. Hey guys, it was just a skit.
I made all the effects and sounds and stuff too.
Yeah, and the reason I paused you guys is because I had to tell her to stop.
Yeah, and
but it actually is very, very blowing outside, really.
Yeah, like it is very windy. We just did that to make it seem kind of scary.
Yeah. It is a little windy, but not a lot.
It was windy a second ago before we started doing the skit. But this was me doing the sound effect.
It's not bad.
Retarded. So,
we're doing a video.
okay.
He said that's cool, Alyssa. He said that's cool. You don't need that open. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day or night or evening. And I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Love ya.